It's really early in the morning, so I'm trying to speak a little on the softer side of things, but real quick, we need snacks, right? You need snacks, I need snacks. Let's snack. I've got 2.5 cups of gluten-free rolled oats. I say gluten-free because they were processed in a gluten-free facility, not because oats have gluten. Oats are naturally gluten-free. You just don't want any cross-contamination, right? So to that, I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. See, that was easy. I'm gonna mix that up. I got my tools here, they're really good. All right, let's all mixed up. Now, in this one, I've got a 1/4 cup of a neutral flavored vegetable oil that I have spilled on the countertop, like you do. I've got a 1/4 cup of, of honey. Let's just get that in there. You can, I did mix, I didn't use just sugar. One time I used sugar, half monk fruit sweetener, and that was pretty good. Also for the sugar, you can use just a 1/4 cup brown sugar if you like. I didn't have any brown sugar, so I've got a 1/4 cup of just regular sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of molasses, because brown sugar is sugar with some of the molasses still on it. What? I know. So let's get that in there. So basically, a little molasses and a little sugar makes brown sugar, and you're good. So let's get that all mixed in there together. Anybody else? Oh, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, because yum. All right, let's get that all. And you know me, I gotta clean as I go. Hang on a sec. That was quick. Okay, let's get this guy out of here. That guy. Where's my towel? Here it is. Got my towel. Okay. Wipe up this little oily mess here. So let's mix all of this. Oh, and you know what else can be really good? You can add different flavors in here. This is just the base. You can add nuts, almonds, dried fruit. You could add spices. Cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice is nice. And it rhymes. So now I've got this all kind of mixed up into like a brown pasty goo. I'm going to take my oats here and my liquid mixture, and I'm just going to throw this all together. Wow, did you see that flop right out of there? That was cool. Okay, so get that all out of here and into there. This whole time I've got the oven preheating to 350. I'm at a little slightly higher elevation, so I got it at 370. But for you, if you're below 3,500 feet, it'll be 350. So let's start getting this coat. You want to coat these oats really well with this stuff, and to do that, you just got to slow mix until everything looks. I do that every time, don't I? That's funny. Okay, let's just get this all mixed up together. Sometimes I warm up the honey so it's a little more liquid. Not so chunky, but this will work just fine. So you kind of want to mash, right? Take the flat side and mash it against the wall and smush it. Get it all mixed in there really well. Get everybody coated really good. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, so now that's all coated. Now over here, what do I have? I've got this nice tiny pan. And I've got this parchment paper. And the main thing is you just want that parchment paper. You want flaps on this. We're ready. You want flaps on the side so that it's easier to pick up and take off of here later. That's all. So let's get this mixture on top of the parchment paper. Just a second here. All right. So then we're going to spread this out. Spread it out. Come on. Just kind of as evenly as possible. All right. So I got this all spread out on here. Now, the final phase. I have 2 of these, but this one I'm not going to make another. I'm just going to lay this on top and give it a good mash. right? Not bad. Okay, so we're gonna throw this into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to look kind of golden brown. Then we're gonna pull it out, let it cool, cut it into bars. Ready? Go! So it's been about, just about 18 minutes or so. Let's pull this out of here, see what's up. Oh, ho, ho. Well, if that's not golden brown, I don't know what is. Wow. I'm gonna get close-ups with my phone. You'll love it. Now comes the hard part, waiting for it to cool. Now, you don't have to do this, this is optional. Let's move you. I like to take that little setup I used to mash it and give it one more mash. There we go. So then it's all, pressed. I got me some. Okay, wait. Oh no. If you speak Greek, I'm really sorry I said that. If you don't speak Greek, I didn't say nothing. All right. Now we wait. Okay, so here we are. Granola bars at room temperature. I have a knife. I have a container. I think we're set. There we go. Just like Mom used to buy back in the 70s. Oh man, I noticed the older I get, the more I start reverting back to my youth in the early 70s, and I want more, granola bars and hanging plants in macrame. Or not. They're not going to last long, I'm telling you. If you have people in the house, these are great snacks for gaming. If you're going to be hanging out gaming, sitting at the computer or whatever, get yourself some granola bar snacks. Boom. Brooks and Dunn. Done and done. There it is. So that's the base. You can add nuts, you can add dried fruit, you can take less sugar, more sugar, whatever you like to do, more spices, less spices. This is just the base. Get creative with it, mess around, have some fun, find what you like. And then tell me about it down below. That'd be great. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and all of those other fun things. And I will see you next time with something else that's delicious. Now let's just bang it all around. Got to keep it messy. Okay.